do migrate. These ones go all the way as far as Europe and as far as south of Africa. Between October and April, becomes a little difficult for them to get food in the cold winter of Europe, and they come over here. They also have to choose well.
You'll be back after the commercial. Wait patiently. Crazy cat. Probably gonna attack my TV. Yeah, he's thinking about it. You break it, you buy it. Yes, you do. We'll catch y'all later.